Hi guys, welcome back to Logri. How are you all doing? I hope all of you are doing great, all of you are fine and safe. So MHCT 2022 Maharashtra Common Entrance Test 2022 5-year law entrance exam, that is your BA LLB law entrance exam. The dates are out, the registration has begun. So from today only the registration has begun. The registration is open for 2022 exam. So let's go through the important dates. I'm going to tell you what is the fees, which are the important documents that you need to have, or how to fill the form. We are going to discuss that, and also we are going to see if the syllabus is the same. What is the syllabus? I'm going to talk about all of this. If you want more help, then I want to tell you that we do have our one-on-one sessions that you can go for. These are paid sessions. We also have our mentorship sessions that are open. You can also go for those. The link and the details of the sessions, about the sessions, is going to be in the description box. You can check that out. Let's begin with today's video. Yeah guys, welcome to Logiri. I hope you have subscribed to Logiri's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss any of our videos. And I hope you're following us on Instagram. We're there by the name at I am Logiri. We do pretty motivational stuff out there. If you want to stay happy, if you want to stay motivated, and if you want to stay connected a little more with Logiri, then do follow us on Instagram. So this interface is going to be there when you click on the link that I have provided in the description box. So the new registration, right, and thereafter you can register. So yeah, this interface is there for MAH LLB 5 years, 5-year integrated course CET 2022. Right, now let's check out the important date. So the online registration begins on 19th March 2022. So the form is out, I think, today only. That is what I could feel, because I was checking again. The registration has opened today, right? The last date is 7th April. So I would say please quickly fill up the form in within 2 to 3 days, right? Issue of hall ticket would take place on 30th April. Thereafter, your date of the exam is 17th May. So the date of the exam is 17th May and 18th May. So there are going to be multiple sessions. Multiple sessions take place, but for every one student, the exam takes place in one session. They are not going to be like 2 times the exam. There are no parts to this exam. The exam happens at once only for one student. Yes, there can be multiple sessions. मतलब अलग-अलग sessions होंगे, but एक बार में ही आपका exam हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Declaration of the result, they have said it would be, the date is going to be declared later on. So these are the important dates. ये important dates हैं, schedule dates हैं, बहुत important है. Please make a note of the same. Education qualification. So an applicant who have successfully completed senior secondary school course, that is your +2 or equivalent course from the institute in Maharashtra state, from a recognized board in India or outside, or from secondary board. So basically you need to have completed your 12th. Now if you are appearing, if your result is not out, if you are appearing for your 12th, then also you can give the exam very much. आपके 2022 के अंदर ही 12th के बोर्ड एग्जाम्स हैं और अभी तक रिजल्ट नहीं आया या अभी एग्जाम्स नहीं हुए, बट अभी होने वाले हैं, हो जाएंगे. यू आर एलिजिबल to give the exam, right? With minimum 45% marks in aggregate for open EWS outside Maharashtra state candidates, OMS, that is all India candidates, need 45%. Candidates belong to SC/ST category, candidates belonging to Maharashtra state with minimum of 40%. So 40% for SC/ST category belonging to Maharashtra state, and 42% if you are from VGNT, SBC and OBC category candidates belong to Maharashtra state with minimum 42%. So 45% you need to have in 12th. Even if you have not given the exam, अभी आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स नहीं हुए 12th के, बट हो जाएंगे 2022 के अंदर, तब भी आप ये फॉर्म भरिए, आप एलिजिबल हैं MHCT देने के लिए. Okay, examination fees for the exam. So CET fee for open category, EWS categories from Maharashtra state, outside Maharashtra state, OMS, all India category belonging to all categories, and JNK migrant candidates, your fees is rupees 800, right? Those are from if you are from Maharashtra, these categories, if you are from state of Maharashtra, and if outside Maharashtra, these categories, the fees is 800. If you are SC, ST, VJ, DT, NT, ANT1, that you can check. Categories belong to Maharashtra state only, having valid caste certificate and having valid non-creamy layer certificate valid up to March 2022. So if you belong to any of these categories, then the fees is 600. Okay, important points to be noted before registration. Now, these are some important points. They are saying read the information brochure very nicely. I would say that because you would know that there are a lot of categories in this exam outside Maharashtra, all India category. So all of these you should know about that. So मैं कहूँगी कि आप information brochure को बहुत अच्छे से read करें. The link is going to be in the description box. If you want any help from my side, you can leave a comment. I would like to work on that issue and come up with a video. Right, check for eligibility criteria mentioned in the information brochure. So yeah, do check the eligibility criteria. Scan their photograph and signature, ensuring that both the photograph and signature adhere to the required specifications. So photograph and signature, we're going to see what are the specifications, what are the requirements that they have mentioned. Right, thereafter you need to have your email ID. Now, one suggestion that I have, create your own email ID, a formal email ID. When we are kids, we do create cool Ram, cool Sham. I think the cool needs to go away and there needs to be official email IDs. It can be Ram underscore 2022, 2023, whatever, but some official thing to it. And remember, note down the password in one of your, planners, in your planner, so that you don't forget the password. Mobile number that you can give of your mother, the one which is active, which is not going to change anytime soon. Share that mobile number. Right, so this is an arrange for application fees. Non-refundable bank transaction charges for online payment of application fees will have to be borne by the candidate. So yeah, these are the things. You need a photograph, signature, email ID, mobile number, and you need a method. You need to make sure that you have you need to make sure that you have the money to pay the application fees, right? Now, with regard to the photograph must be recent, passport size and color picture. ठीक है, तो उन्होंने बोला कि recent होनी चाहिए, ये नहीं कि बचपन की फोटो उठा के लगा दी. No, recent passport size photograph होनी चाहिए, right? And there should be colored picture. Should be colored picture. The picture should be in color, taken against a light colored, preferably white background. Preferably white background होनी चाहिए. Look straight at the camera with a relaxed face. I would suggest that you go to a professional photographer and get the photograph clicked, right? Photographs taken wearing caps, hats, dark glasses are not acceptable. Religious headwear is allowed, but it must not cover your face. Your face should be clearly visible, right? Dimensions they have mentioned. Size of the photo should be between 20 kb to 50 kb because you have to upload the photograph, so you need to make sure that it is within this size. Right, so this is all about the photograph. Then you have signature image. The applicant has to sign on white paper with black ink pen. Now you need to remember, you have to sign on what? White paper with black pen, right? With black ink pen, black ink pen, right? The signature must be signed only by the applicant and not by any other person. The signature will be used to put on the hall ticket and wherever necessary. आप ही signature करो, right? Dimensions ये mentioned है 10 kb to 20 kb के बीच में. Signature in capital letters shall not be acceptable. ठीक है, for example लॉ गिरी का ये signature acceptable नहीं होंगे, ये signatures acceptable होंगे. ठीक है ना? Okay, candidate should ensure that the signature uploaded is clearly visible. Okay. Now they have mentioned the settings, for the scanner, right? So this you have to keep in mind. Set the scanner resolution to minimum of 200 dpi, dots per inch. Set color to true color. So this you have to do. Image file should be in JPG or JPEG format, right? This you have to keep in mind. So let's have a look at the syllabus. So what I can see is that good news is that the syllabus is the same: legal aptitude and legal reasoning, 40 questions, 40 marks. 1 mark per question. General knowledge with current affairs, that means you have your static GK, you have to cover your history, geography, science. Static GK 30 questions are going to be there, static plus current affairs, right? Logical and analytical reasoning 40 marks, English is your 30 marks, mathematical aptitude 10 marks, total comes to 150. The marks distribution is very very important. जो आपका marks distribution होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है, because this would help you with the planning, right? ये आपको मदद करता है planning करने में. Okay, so please make a note of the same. If you want that I should come up with a complete new schedule, giving you discussing the entire syllabus in detail, section wise syllabus you want, You want that I should discuss that which books you should go for now. If you're starting from zero, if you're starting from scratch now, which are the books that you should opt for. If you want me to discuss about the books, the syllabus, and you want me that I should come up with a schedule, then please guys comment down below. I would love to help you. If you really need my help, comment down below. Let's know about the exam. Another very important thing that we all should know about is about the exam. The questions will be objective multiple choice questions. So MCQ type of questions are going to be there. There's going to be no negative marking. No negative marking at all. Time allotted is 2 hours. You will be given 2 hours. That is 120 minutes, which is more than enough. The questions are going to be in Marathi as well as English. Now this is important. English and Marathi. No Hindi is there because a lot of people get a lot of students get confused. The mock test link for practice will be provided for the candidates to prepare themselves for the online CET. It is going to be later in the phase of your, you fill the form, thereafter the link comes up. So then you can solve the mock test that is going to be available on their website. Okay, so guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below how I can help you with regard to the schedule. If you want that I should conduct practice sessions specifically with regard to MHCET, wherein we solve static GK questions or current affairs questions or related to any other subject that you're facing problem with and you want that I should help you with that, comment down below. I would love to do that. And before I come up with any other video related to MHCET, I want to tell you that I have done a video before. I'll share the link of that. मैंने पहले भी वीडियो करी है MHCET से related. मैं उसका link description box में share कर दूंगी. And if you want a personal session with me, if you want a one-on-one session, that is completely available. Now you think I'm promoting, but what I want to say is that first go through my videos, my detailed videos wherein I have told you how you need to prepare for the exam. If you are able to understand everything, great, good to go. You can prepare for the exam all by yourself. But in case you are having a problem, you want that you want to talk to me, then you can either buy my mentorship sessions or you can buy a one-on-one session. No doubt they are paid, but worth it. You can read our reviews. Links are going to be in the description box. That's it. Giri signing off. I'll see you super soon in my next one. You guys keep on studying. All the very best.